Hello and welcome to weekly tracking here on gold. Let's quickly look at the outlook. Let's start from the weekly time frame here. Over here on gold, as market opened today during the Asian session, we had a dip of price hitting $2,000, right? Okay, so basically for this week, two things are in my mind. We could probably see price come back all the way to 2054 region this week. All right. With the crisis going on and the war going on, market uncertainty is huge, so I'm expecting that gold, being the safe haven, will continue bullish overall. Then within the week there will definitely be some intraday trading, so possibly if price will come back into this region, then we might probably see some kind of trade around 1920 to 1960 region, right? Otherwise, as price broke into this region of 1976 to 2000, I'm expecting a continuation of price to 2050 or something like that, in the 2045 region. All right, price is going to trade within this region this week. All right, so that's that on the daily. So moving over to the intraday trading, what am I going to be seeing here on this style? Let's move into the 1 hour time frame. Over here in the 1 hour time frame, we already see how price broke into this region and then it's coming back here to retest this region. So I'm probably going into the London session in about 30 minutes. We might see price just come deep into this region and then we'll continue into further bullish sentiment. In the 15 minutes time frame, we could see there's a huge demand zone around here, right? So I'm expecting price to probably come into this region a little bit, and then before we could see price head back into this to the region, right? Be that as it may, I got into a trade here on sales. And I took a partial profit here, and I'm still holding because I'm expecting price to probably just come hit this region before going up. All right, for the week, that's what I'm expecting. Continuous in bullish sentiment. I'll see you guys on Wednesday, and let's see how price plays out. Ciao. Hello guys, welcome to weekly tracking here on gold. It's Wednesday, and on Monday I anticipated this forward continuous bullish move of gold, but I was expecting some kind of reversal first, right? Yeah, and yesterday I caught up this trade here on the 15 minutes time frame. Yeah, I caught this trade on the 15 minutes time frame, but guess what happened? I entered here and then price started reversing and closed around this area, and with these rejections at this point, I decided to close at 20 pips profit, and boom, this is what happened. It's more like the most painful thing I've ever seen in my trading career, right? So painful. So at the moment, price has come to touch the highs it made in 2020, July 2020. That's apparently when I actually started trading, and today price is at this point at one more time. So at this point, two things. Yeah, obviously price has made a long bullish run, so I'm expecting probably more like a little retracement, yeah, and then we might actually break 2075 at this point right now. Breaking this region will be something I'll be anticipating because of the uncertainties in the market, the Russia and Ukraine and everything. So basically, if price breaks here, we might be seeing continuation of price to, I don't know. All right, so until then, but for now I'm expecting a little bit of retracement, at least to 2014 one more time, and yeah, if possible 1974 region. So price might just play around this region for a while. If the volatility is really strong, we might see price breakthrough. All right, I'll see you guys on Friday, but for now I'll be looking for a little bit of intraday trading for retracement patterns, and if I don't see that, then we might just join the trend to continue bullish. I'll see you guys on Friday. Ciao. Hello guys, and welcome to weekly tracking here on gold. And it's currently Friday, and on Wednesday I mentioned that we might probably start seeing a rejection of this region at 1976 region and we'll see price try going back upward. But since Wednesday, we've seen a little bit of more like a consolidation between this region and here. If we look over here on the 4 hours time frame, we could basically see what's happening here right now. So going forward for today, being the last day of the trading week, probably see more like another retest of this region. Then we could see price continue up, because I still see uncertainty in the market, and when there's uncertainty in the market, we will see gold continue to move forward. So there's this little trend line I'm keeping an eye on right now on my 15 minutes time frame here on gold. Basically, I'm expecting a rejection of this region, and then maybe we could see price start going back upwards. Well, if price breaks 1972 region, then a retest of it, we could see price probably just come all the way back to let's say 1945 region, and probably 1917. Probably not the whole of today, but going into the next week. And if we look at the price right now from the 15 minutes time frame, you could probably just see that we're looking at a head and shoulder pattern, head shoulder pattern. So there's a possibility that price will break this region, and then we'll see price roll down to 1917. So basically, let's look at the 1 hour time frame so you see what I'm saying clearly. So on the 1 hour time frame, what we see here is here the left shoulder, here is the right shoulder, here is the head, right? We see like two margins of it, 1 2 1 1 2. So basically, I'm expecting price to probably pull back to this region, or reject this region totally, and then we see price come back all the way to 27.3 and probably break it. I'll see you guys on Monday, and let's see how price plays before the end of the day. Ciao.